We're now going to import assets into our Animate project. When you import an asset, it places it into the library. It stores it within the project then itself, so you can take the project anywhere and continue working with it without worrying about having to lose the link between your assets. We're going to go File, Import. You've got two options, import to stage or import to library. Either way, it will be stored in the library itself. So I'm going to go and import to stage. I'm going to go and select my seabed banner background. I'm going to click Open. This will place it into the timeline, creating a solid keyframe and adding the graphic to the library. I can rename the layer. It's good working practice to name your layers. I'm going to call this one Seabed. And if you don't want to affect that layer, you can use the lock option. But before I do that, I want to extend the length of time that my background exists within the timeline. At the moment, you'll see we still have just one frame. We can adjust our timeline view by dragging the slider here to increase or decrease the number of frames that we can see. We are going to use the 24 frames per second feature to work out how many frames we need to add to our document. Now, for my document to last 4 seconds, I would need to add in 96 frames. I'm going to move my cursor over the 96th frame in my timeline. I'm going to do a right mouse click and I'm going to add in a frame. This will extend the span and duration that the actual background will appear in the timeline.